guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ariel and I like to do fashion and lifestyle videos. So today I'm going to be unboxing for you a few of the things that I got for my birthday. We're starting off with my new Celine bag. I have been looking for this bag for so long. I waited, I want to say, a week and some change for it to come in the store. And here it is, the medium Triomphe shoulder bag in the canvas print. Oh my gosh, you guys, this bag just makes me so excited. I love how many compartments there are. I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit later how many things it holds. I love that the shoulder strap is adjustable. It's just one of those bags I think I'm going to have in my collection for a really, really long time. And then here is that front, lateral, and back view. It actually is a pretty sizable bag. It was between this one and the teen size. There really isn't too much of a difference. So if you're considering like which you should get, really it's up to size preference. So I wanted to go ahead and put some things in there so you can get a reference for the space. The first thing that I put in there was my lip balm from Summer Fridays. It is so pretty and one of my favorites. I put in some hand balm. I am someone who gets cold really easily, so I always have hand balm on me. I also have really, really curly hair, so I always have a satin scrunchie. I have my AirPod Pros. I love listening to music, so I always have it with me just to kind of, chill out from the day. And some Altoids, because you can't be going around with gross breath. I like to carry my Apple Watch in my bag for the most part. It kind of hurts my arm. And some lip balm. And I totally forgot to put my actual wallet in there. So yeah, this is the Victorine wallet from Louis Vuitton. It's a pretty sizable wallet, and as you can see, it fits in there pretty okay. Moving on from my handbag, I actually bought a lot of shoes for my birthday this year. So these first ones are from my Teresa. I actually didn't think I was going to find these shoes this year because they've been sold out on the website. They are the Jimmy Choo Gisella flats. I live on Hawaii, as you guys know, and here the sizing for shoes is actually really, really limited. I am a true size 10 or a size 40, and finding these shoes was an insane ordeal. I just so happened to be checking my Teresa and saw that not only did they have my size, but it was also on sale, so I went ahead and snapped them up. Just a pair of really nice basic ballet flats. Next, I showed you guys in the vlog, I went into Red Valentino with like no expectations at all, and I found the coolest shoes. So I'm trying to get into just enjoying the outdoors a little bit more, so I wanted a pair of shoes that weren't really necessarily running shoes. These were so pretty to me, and I actually haven't tried the Balenciaga version of these, but when I saw these and I tried them on and they had my size, you guys, like I just couldn't pass it up. So this is essentially a pretty similar shoe to the popular Balenciaga ones. They're super comfortable and like they feel amazing. So I think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these. So I actually went up and got a pair of normal AirPods. I showed you the pros. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just that I think they're starting to get a little less loud. So I went ahead and ordered another just in case it, died on me. And the last thing I ended up getting, it was actually an impulse buy, which isn't something that I typically do with luxury fashion. I went to Ala Moana and I wore the heels, and I don't know what possessed me to do that, and I was in absolute agony. So I popped into the Celine store and I found these beautiful flats, or like I guess they're sandals. My essay, Desmond, he came in clutch. I tried on like 2 other pairs of shoes and he was like, I think I know what you need. So that's all for my birthday haul. If you like these kinds of videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram for more, and I upload new videos every Sunday. Bye guys.